What's up, House fans? I am on my way to the bowl for another ball review. This time it's going to be the Black Widow Ghost Pearl ball review. This is a brand new bowling ball from the Hammer line. We reviewed the Black Widow 2.0 almost a year ago when we pretty much started the channel. It was the first video for us that really popped off. So this time we're gonna do an updated Black Widow Ghost Pearl. I just got it in the mail with a bunch of other bowling balls, but who cares about those? Because this one looks sick. So I'm gonna bring it down to the RSC. I'm gonna drill it, bowl a game there, and then I'm gonna take it to North Rock and bowl a game out there. And we'll see which one looks best, where it fits in my bag, if it fits in my bag at all. So let's take it to the rec and see what happens. All right, guys, so we're in frame 5. We got, I'd say it's just your basic like 40-foot medium volume pattern. With that being said, I got the front 5. I'm trying to, play it off of 5, 6, 7 down lane. So we got 5 more frames. Hopefully I can string something together here the back half. A couple misses, maybe a bad break here or there, but yeah, hopefully I can string something together for like a 240. 300 first game out the box. So I was gonna take this ball to North Rock. I was gonna practice with it. I was gonna, I was expecting 220 down here. I was gonna take it to North Rock, shoot like 250 plus. So now instead of the goal being like to shoot 250 at North Rock, it's definitely gonna be to shoot 300. I'll start on a strike or something like that again, so I'll at least have a chance through one frame. Black Widow Ghost Pearl review, 300 game 1, taking it to North Rock for hopefully like 300 again. So if I don't shoot 300, you can just roast me down below in the comments. And while you're at it, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below and follow us along for more videos like this. Till then, see you guys at North Rock. You're darn right I got it strapped up in a seatbelt. Are you kidding me? I gotta keep her safe for game 2. So that truly was my first game out of the box with that ball. I threw a couple shots in warm-up, and that really was my first game with the ball. It was a big one, not gonna lie. And I'm looking for another huge one here, maybe back-to-back 300s. That'd be really cool. I do not expect it to happen. My guess is, 300 at the rec, probably like 150 at North Rock, because the ball can't be good both places. It can't be. But I'll catch you at North Rock and crossing my fingers praying that it is. So comment down below. Let me know what you guys think I'm going to shoot at North Rock. I'm heading there now, and I'll catch you guys at the lanes. So I'm here at North Rock Lanes and I'm bowling one game. Again, I just shot 300 down at the RSC on campus. I got this Black Widow Ghost Pearl. This is gonna be my first game on the house shot, and then I'll decide which bag it's gonna go in, whether it goes in the tournament bag or it goes in the house shot bag. So catch me back frame 5 and I'll let you know how it's going. So we're halfway through the game. I got 279 left. You know, I made a small move and it just wasn't the right move. So I think I could have stayed in the same spot and instead of moving right, just thrown it a little bit harder. So I'm gonna go 2 back left, increase the ball speed a little bit, try and keep it in front of me, which is key here at North Rock, and then I'll see how I can finish out. Well, 279 for my second game with the ball, my first game at North Rock on the house china. I think it went really well. The ball is definitely gonna be in both of my bags. This Black Widow Ghost Pearl is a monster on both patterns. Just the way that it hits the pins, the way that it carries a lot of trip 6s, couple messenger 8s, messenger 7s. It seemed like I was just getting all the hits with this ball, both at the rec and here. Well, at the rec, you know, Brooklyn, but and here. So, you know, 579 for my first two. I think I'm gonna take it with this ball, and I'm gonna take this ball pretty much everywhere I go. So yeah, that's my first 2 games with it. One on the sport, one on the house. I'm bringing this ball everywhere I go. I'll catch you guys on the next ball review. And until then, don't forget, subscribe down below, like the video. So I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.